Are you looking for the pressure washer hose reel? In this video, we will show the 5 best pressure washer hose reel. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 5. Pressure washer hose reel with hose for hot and cold water. 3/8 x 50 feet steel auto-retractable high-power wash hose reel. Heavy-duty hose reel, wire braided hose, 4,000 psi, black. Brand, Fix Fans. Material, brass, stainless steel. Color, black, gray. Style, hose reel with hose. Wire braided hose. 3/8 x 50 feet pressure washer hose replacement is rubber construction with a high tensile wire braided layer, perfect for hot and cold water and gas and electric pressure washer. The pressure washing hose reel keeps your work environment clean and tidy, ideal for DIY enthusiasts and industrial settings. Controlled auto rewind. Say goodbye to tangled hoses and time-consuming manual winding. The pressure washer reel with a retractable spring-driven mechanism, this high-pressure hose reel offers convenient and controlled retraction for 3/8 ID pressure washer hoses up to 50 feet long. The multi-position lock ratchet mechanism allows you to secure the desired hose length, providing flexibility and ease of use.
Number 4. Pressure washer hose reel with hose. 1/4 inch by 60 feet retractable power washer hose reel. Heavy-duty hose reel auto rewind, wall mounted. Brand, Fix Fans. Material, stainless steel. Color, white, blue. Maximum pressure, 3,600 pound per square inch. Item length, 60 feet. Manufacturer, Fix Fans. Controlled automatic rewind. Say goodbye to tangled hoses and time-consuming manual winding. Equipped with a controlled automatic rewind mechanism, this pressure washer reel offers a hassle-free way to retract the hose smoothly and efficiently after use. Enjoy the convenience of automated rewinding without the need for manual effort. Superior construction. The pressure washer hose reel is crafted from heavy-duty industrial steel with brass fittings. The steel material is heat-treated and powder coat finishes for providing exceptional resistance against corrosion, durable construction that ensures longevity and reliability, made to withstand various weather conditions and provide consistent performance over time. Easy to mount. The retractable pressure washer hose reel's adjustable guide arm and robust steel construction base allow for secure and stable mounting to any flat surface of outdoors or indoors, such as ground, wall, or ceiling mounting of factory workshops, garages, body shops, automotive workshops, etc.
Number 3. MEKOH pressure washer hose reel 50 feet, 4,000 psi heavy-duty power washer hose reel with M2214 fitting. Hand crank metal reel with wall/trailer/van mount. Manual hose reel for water. Brand, MEKOH. Material, heavy-duty metal construction, solid brass. Color, shiny black. Style, patio and garden cleaning tools, pressure washer accessories. Reel industry grade, super durable. MEKOH pressure washer hose reel is a real high-pressure hose reel which can be used on commercial-grade pressure washer and outdoors. Come with a whole heavy-duty steel construction and a powder coat, which enable it hold up 4,000 psi working pressure. Also, the full sealed 90 degrees solid brass full flow NPT swivel has a great corrosion resistance, non-resting, non-leaking. All these are for great durability. For your convenience, all the upgraded details of MEKOH pressure washer hose reel are to help you pull out and retract the hose quickly and easily without any struggle. The enlarged hand crank is designed for quick retraction. The 90-degree elbow at the outlet protects the hose from kinks and bend damage, extending hose life. The fixed ring on the power washer hose reel prevents the hose holder from rolling during operation. Also, the red locking mechanism in the attachment can fix the hose.
Number 2. JOEJET retractable pressure washer hose reel. 50 feet by 3/8 inch power washer hose reel with hose. Wall floor mounted, 4,000 psi. Brand, JOEJET. Material, carbon steel. Color, blue. Auto-retractable design. Compared to traditional hand-cranking hose reels, JOEJET heavy-duty hose reel automatically rewinds the hose, helping you avoid tangled lines and keeping your cleaning space tidy and organized at all times. It significantly saves storage time and greatly enhances cleaning efficiency. Easy operation.
The power washer hose extends smoothly and locks securely at any length with its adjustable hose stopper. It's designed for effortless operation, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks without any hassle. Leak-free safety. The 50-foot pressure washer hose is made of rubber structure, featuring a high-tensile wire-braided layer, which is wear-resistant and non-entangling, ensuring no leakage during use. It can withstand a maximum pressure of 4,000 psi and high temperatures up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit, providing stable and reliable performance for enhanced safety.
Number 1. WOJET Pressure Washer Hose Reel. 50 feet by 3/8 inch, retractable hose reel for water, air, oil. Heavy-duty hose reel in steel, power washer reel with dual arm, auto rewind, max 4,000 psi. Brand, WOJET. Material, steel construction and exterior grade powder coating. Color, black. Style, retractable. Why expensive? The WOJET commercial grade hose reel is constructed with 32% more steel than the competition. Its frame is twice as thick. We believe that things with quality have no fear of time. Its dual-arm design offers greater stability, preventing wobbling during use. The standard 3/8 inch threads outlet is completely leak-free. The exclusive automatic rewinding system ensures smooth, effortless retraction every time, even with daily use, making each wash a pleasure. Reliable auto rewind. The retractable pressure washer hose reel features a reliable auto rewind system with spring-loaded tension for quick, easy retraction, keeping your workspace organized. Its customized spring-loaded locking mechanism and 12-point ratchet system lock the hose at any length, offering stability and flexibility. Ideal for 3/8 inch hoses up to 50 feet. This retractable hose reel ensures hassle-free setup and cleanup, eliminating tangled hoses and enabling efficient work.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.